Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document digitally on your iPhone. This simple process saves you time and effort. You can sign contracts, forms, or agreements without ever needing a printer or scanner. It is a very convenient feature built right into your device, accessible from several common applications like your Mail app or Files app. You will learn the exact steps to do this quickly and with ease. Once you have your document, perhaps a PDF, open it in an application like your Mail app or Files app. Look for the small icon that resembles a pen tip, sometimes within a circle or square, and tap it. This action will open the document in the iPhone's powerful markup interface. This is where you will find all the essential tools you need for signing documents with precision. With the markup tools visible, tap the plus symbol located in the bottom right corner of your screen. From the menu that pops up, select Signature. Use your finger to draw your signature clearly in the designated area. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you are satisfied, tap Done in the top right corner. Your personalized signature will then appear on the document, ready for placement. After creating your signature, it will instantly appear on your document as a movable object. You can easily drag this signature with your finger to precisely the spot where you need it to be. If the size is not quite right, simply use the small blue dots located at the corners of the signature box to resize or reshape it. This allows for a perfect fit and professional look every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.